Representing a position in 2D plane can be done in several ways. For this purpose, we have been using Cartesian system. In this system, a point is represented by the coordinate x and y, where x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical distance. The polar coordinate system is an alternate to the rectangular system. In this system, a point is represented by r theta, where r is the length of straight line from the point to the origin, and theta represents the angle that this straight line makes with the horizontal axis. Here, r is known as radius vector and theta is known as vectorial angle or polar angle of point P. In polar system, the origin is called pole and the horizontal axis, which is a ray that extends horizontally from the pole to the right, is called polar axis. And the ordered pair r theta is called polar coordinate of point P. The vectorial angle theta is positive when measured anticlockwise and negative when measured clockwise. The radius vector r is considered positive if measured from pole along the line bonding the vectorial angle, and negative if measured in the opposite direction. For example, if PO is produced to P dash such that OP dash equal to OP, then coordinate of P dash are either minus r theta or r theta plus pi. The polar radius of pole is 0 and polar angle of pole may have any value. Thus, polar coordinate of pole are 0, theta for all value of theta. In polar coordinate system, unlike Cartesian coordinate system, the representation of a point is not unique. In this system, a point can be specified by an infinite number of sets of coordinates. Thus, if P be a point r theta, it can be represented as r theta plus 2 pi, r theta plus 4 pi, r theta plus 6 pi, and so on, or r theta minus 2 pi, r theta minus 4 pi, r theta minus 6 pi, or minus r theta plus pi, minus r theta plus 3 pi, minus r theta plus 5 pi, or minus r theta minus pi, minus r theta minus 3 pi, minus r theta minus 5 pi, and so on. Thus, general coordinate of point r minus 1 to the power n times r theta plus n pi. Let P be any point whose Cartesian coordinates are x and y and whose polar coordinate are r, theta. Draw PM perpendicular to OX. Then from right angle triangle OMP, we have x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Squaring and adding equation first and second, we get x square plus y square equal to r square. So r equal to square root x square plus y square, and dividing first by second, we get tangent theta equal to y by x, or theta equal to tangent inverse y by x. With the help of relation first and second, we can change the Cartesian coordinate of a point into polar coordinate, and with the help of relation third and fourth, we can change polar coordinate of a point into Cartesian coordinate. In the next video, we are going to learn about distance and area of triangle in polar form.